Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of data visualization and exploring a better way to represent percentages within pie or donut charts. If you look at this pie, you may encounter difficulties interpreting these proportions, due to our limitations in perceiving angles accurately. Research has shown that, as humans, we struggle to discern precise differences in angles, especially in pie or donut charts, making it hard to determine the exact proportions. We often rely heavily on labels or additional information to understand the actual percentages, which defeats the purpose of a visual representation. But with a 100% stacked bar chart, we will have a more intuitive and effective way to visualize percentages within these traditional charts. As you can see, the clarity and ease of understanding percentages are significantly improved with the use of bar charts, compared to pie or donut charts. This method enhances readability, simplifies comparisons, and reduces the need for extensive labeling, allowing for quicker comprehension. Let's walk through the process of creating this bar chart in Tableau. Here we are in Tableau. We begin by importing our sales dataset, and create a new sheet. Let's assume we want to show which ship mode is responsible for the most sales percentage. Firstly, we drag the ship mode to the rows field, and drag sales to the columns field. We go to Sales, and from the drop-down arrow, we go to Quick Table Calculation, and then choose % of total. We go once more to Sales drop-down arrow, and from Compute Using, we choose Table Across. We will drag sales again to Columns field, and repeat the steps again. But this time we will choose Table Down, from the Compute Using options. We then right-click on the right chart axis, and choose Dual Axis. Change all charts to bar. Right-click once more on the upper axis, and click on Synchronize Axis. Drag the measure names into Color field, and sales percentage into Labels field. And here is our beautiful chart. In conclusion, while pie or donut charts are commonly used, their limitations in conveying precise percentages can be overcome with the inclusion of bar charts. I encourage you to explore this method in your own data visualization projects, for better clarity and comprehension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.